experience for the expo, the painting, what the vibrant artists from Goa are trying to achieve a 1,000 foot, which is around 300 meters long painting. I'm very happy to know this. It's going to be like a record in Goa, and such type of painting and the artists who are working on this. It gives a good exposure for an artist, and also a good thing as far as all the delegates who are come over here. They will understand that Goa is not only a place for where it is famous for beach and lovely backwaters and heritage, but it is also where there are different artists, and the artists bring out their art in different forms, whether it is culture, whether it is heritage, whether it is sceneries, whether it is our traditional lamps, stars, everything is here, and the artists are free to come and take part in this longest painting, and I wish all of them all the best.
Triple ID. IIID.
Triple ID, all the best, and all this not only over here.
Related to our Goan theme. So we're trying to capture all the festivals, all the Goan festivals, all the Goan life, all the elements of Goa. So cultures. So first, right now we are aiming to color only the background over here, the gap, and then we.
Any length target is there also?
Yes.